with Sanjana and Ashutosh, the Akasa Air Cabin Crew. They were very nice. Everybody was nice, and it was the landing time. I was having a chit chat with Sanjana about my upcoming event. That is why I was going to Ahmedabad. So she was very eagerly asking everything, and then there was an empty seat in front of the window, so she said, you can sit over here, you can see the landing, as I don't have the windows. And literally I was in cloud 9, and from there I was watching the clouds. And in Ahmedabad, when it was the landing time, so I was seeing all the vacant land over there. It was really good to see. And for me, if anybody asks me, I like the landing more than takeoff. So that was my preference. So I loved it so much. And everybody asked me, as a first time flyer, I was scared. No, I was not scared at all, because I always enjoy this. And this is not the road, this is the river. And I'm not saying anything more, but there was a surprise in the end of the video. You have to watch that. It was always a fun for me because I always keep the seat belt on. I obviously follow each and every rules, either it's plane or train, wherever it is. And this is a beautiful view for me. I was super happy. Oh, and all the time I kept my phone in the flight mode.
देवी और सज्जनों नमस्कार। अहमदाबाद के सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे के अंतर्देशीय टर्मिनल में आपका स्वागत है। हमें सूचित करते हुए प्रसन्नता है कि हम निर्धारित समय से पहले पहुंच गए हैं। बाहर का तापमान 31 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। कुर्सी की पेटी के संकेत रहने तक कृपया अपने स्थान पर ही बैठे रहें। अब आप मोबाइल फोन का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। बच्चों के साथ यात्रा कर रहे यात्रियों से अनुरोध है कि कृपया ये सुनिश्चित कर लें कि सीट बेल्ट संकेत बंद होने तक बच्चे अपनी सीट बेल्ट लगाए रखें। सामान कक्ष सावधानी से खोले और एयर की उड़ानों से आगे जा रहे हैं। उनसे निवेदन है कि वे हमारे ग्राउंड पोस्टरों से संपर्क करें। अकासा एयर से यात्रा करने के लिए हम आपके आभारी हैं। धन्यवाद। Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ahmedabad's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport domestic flight. All passengers traveling onwards on Akasa Air flight, it's been a pleasure serving you, and we hope to see you again soon. Till then, please take care. Thank you.
And my co-passengers were really good, so I was trying to capture each and every moment. That is marshalling, and we are moving towards the airport. Actually, we are in the airport, and I saw a plane is flying, so it was a great experience for me. And this is the first time I'm seeing the conveyor belt in front of me. It was not a good experience for me because I have a back pain, so I have to carry this. This is Ahmedabad airport, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Really, it's very nice. And our car is waiting outside, so we are going towards our car. Everything was coordinated properly. So in Akasa Air, Sanjana gave me a hand note, and I took a picture with Ashutosh and Sanjana. I will remember both of you, especially Sanjana, every time.